All right, everyone, let's practice. So we have 612 divided by 15. Now again, I don't know exact numbers here, but I can do a couple of different things. I can round this guy up or down. Well, since he's a 5 over here, if I round up to the nearest 10, I might be able to round this guy up to 20. That might help me through as I work. So let's do that. So I have 15, or I'm going to think of 20, into my first two digits of my dividend, which would be 61. Now 20 into 60 would go exactly 3 times. So let's try that. Might be a little low because 15 is considerably lower than 20, but it's my nearest whole number, or my nearest 10 that I can think through. So 3 times 5. We'll do 3 times 15 over here. Let's keep track. 3 times 5 is 15, carry the 1 up. 3 times 3 is 1, plus 1 gives me 4. This would be 45. Let's check and see if this is less than 15. So I can't do that. That would be a 5 there. This will be a 1. This is actually going to be 6 and 1. This is actually 16. That means my number was too small. Even though I estimated, it wasn't a great estimation because I ended up being a little bit low. So let's try 4 here. 15 times 4. Rewrite this guy so he's a little bit easier to see. Sometimes long division can be messy. 15 times 4. 4 times 5 is 20. Carry the 2 up. 60. There we go. Much better. 61 minus 60 is 1. Now, this is less than 15. Now I can drop my 2. 15 or 20 into 12. Well, I know that neither one of those numbers will fit, so I'm going to guess that I have a 0 here. I have 0. 12 is less than 15, so I'm good. I'm going to have a 40 with a remainder of 12. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I also can use some estimation to figure out if my answer is reasonable or not. I actually happen to know off the top of my head my 15s, because 2 15s gives me 30, and 30 times 2, which would be 15 times 4, is 60. The 600 I can think of as a 60, in which case I know it should go roughly 40 times, and it does. It's 40 with a remainder of 12, so I know my answer is reasonable, and I can move on.